Welcome to Inappropriate Talk with Inspiring
and Amazing. Today we're going to be talking about
Me Too men.
Ladies, have you ever been talking to a man and you tell him you need a new outfit and he says,
Me too.
That's very inappropriate.
Inappropriate. And ladies, have you ever been to the club when you working it and twerking it and stretching it and doing all these things for this man, and you say, I'm kind of parched. And you know what he says?
Me too.
Inappropriate.
Too inappropriate. And ladies, have you ever been talking to a man and tell him you need your hair done and he tell you,
Me too.
That's just way too inappropriate.
And girls, have you ever said, oh, I need a new pair of shoes? And he says,
Me too.
That is so inappropriate.
Too inappropriate.
But,
ladies, when you find that man who say me too,
run.
And drop him back on the curb where you found him.
Holla.
At us.